In my personal point of view, the fact that people in Brazil don't use natural birds' feathers anymore didn't help the environment so much, because the reverse side of this coin is trash, artificial trash. So not using natural birds' feathers didn't affect in not using costumes. It affected, unfortunately, in using plastic parts in the costumes, which obviously don't decay like any other plastic garbage in centuries. And this results in profound contamination of many small rivers, not only small, well, it resulted in garbage being all around. Also, there are tropical rains here, which bring floods. And since plastic garbage prevents water to penetrate into the ground, further into the ground, the floods get more serious. So sometimes after rain, which lasts some minutes, maybe half an hour, maybe an hour, and the whole districts in some cities get flooded, totally flooded, yes. You can see even cars floating, streets becoming rivers, accidents, people, drunk people, or somehow other people who can't get out from water, they drown. There are some victims. That's it.